Another quick update from the King Piers team up here in DeSoto, Kansas. We've just finished up getting all 6 of our King Piers installed and encased in high-strength concrete, poured up to the top of the footing. And now we're simply just waiting for that concrete to cure enough to start our backfill. We got everything in place. Got our excavator right here, so as soon as this is basically dry enough to stand on, which should be here just within the next 15-20 minutes or so, essentially we're going to just be able to get all this dirt backfilled, pushed back up, sloped away from the home, and this job will be finished. So we'll try to at least get some pictures once we get the yard back in order. We're going to try to keep everything as nice and neat as possible. Again, homeowner wants all the dirt, so we are going to have it piled fairly high, but we always slope it away from the home just to help with any kind of water or anything. We don't want any water infiltration, so we're making sure any kind of hairline cracks that may have been on the foundation wall are covered up. We're doing one right now that he's cleaning, getting all the dirt and debris out of there before we get everything sealed up properly. So once that's done, we will be ready to roll on this. So another job well done by the King Piers team. Hard part's over. It's essentially just getting all the dirt back in the hole. So stay tuned for the final updates. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. Again, as stated, you can find all of our pictures, videos of our current and past projects on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We try to have as much content as we have on there, just detailing the different scopes of work that we do. We don't always just do pier installations. As you saw earlier this month, we do a lot of wall straightening, wall brace installation, crack repair. If it can be done to the foundation, we do it. So please give us a like and subscribe, and of course you can always just give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.